Hello everyone, I'm Samiha Hassan. I'm going to solve some basic integrations today using this formula. So let us proceed. At first, let me take a problem. Suppose the question is integration of x to the power 3 dx. So how we are going to integrate this? Here the value of n is 3. So the integration is pretty simple, straightforward. And so the result becomes x to the power 3 plus 1 divided by 3 plus 1 plus c. So the result is x to the power 4 divided by 4 plus c. Okay, now let me take another example. Suppose integration of 4x square plus 3x dx. Now what the result becomes? The result becomes 4x to the power 2 plus 1 divided by 2 plus 1 plus 3x to the power 2 divided by 2. Okay, so plus c. So the result is 4x cube by 3 plus 3x square by 2 plus c. Now in the first two problems, the power was whole number and the power was positive. So now let us see another example, and now we are going to use a fractional power and let's see what happens. Suppose we are going to take integration of 4x to the power 3 by 2 plus 4 root over x cube plus 2 root over x dx. Now what will be the integration of this problem? If I do the maths, now at first the value of n is 3 by 2, so 4x to the power 3 by 2 plus 1 divided by 3 by 2 plus 1. And now if I simplify it, we know root over x is equal to x to the power half. So this things becomes x to the power 3 by 2. So similarly, this whole thing, I'm going to repeat this whole thing, x to the power 3 by 2 plus 1 divided by 3 by 2 plus 1, and here 2 x to the power half plus 1 divided by half plus 1 plus constant. Now this thing becomes 4x to the power 5 by 2 divided by 5 by 2 plus 4x to the power 5 by 2 divided by 5 by 2 plus 2x to the power 3 by 2 divided by 3 by 2 plus c. Now if you simplify it further, you're gonna get the result for this. Now let me take another example with a negative power and a fraction in it. Suppose integration of x to the power minus 3 plus x to the power minus 3 by 2. Now let us see what the result becomes. So the integration of x to the power minus 3 is x to the power minus 3 plus 1 divided by minus 3 plus 1, and the integration of x to the power minus 3 by 2 is x to the power minus 3 by 2 plus 1 divided by minus 3 by 2 plus 1 plus c. So it becomes x to the power minus 2 divided by minus 2 plus x to the power minus half divided by minus half plus c. Now what will you do if you get a question which states integration of x to the power minus 1 dx? Now we know that we can write x to the power minus 1 as 1 by x. So if we modify it, it becomes integration of 1 by x dx, and we know that the integration of 1 by x dx is ln x. So now let us write ln x plus c. So we will have to be careful while doing this. So yes, thank you.